emzini okanjaba odume ngokuthi isendunini. Okay, sihleli sahlala like late hours waphuma njengomuntu oyochama. But she complained to me about someone who took her phone the day before. And then she asked me to go with her to that boy's place. And then I agreed, and then we went there. Okay, when we went there, her mother, we knocked at the door. His mother opened the door. The time I was trying to greet the mother, she was pulling us. I don't want to see you here. She don't want to see my sister here. We must arrest her if you like to arrest her. And then she closed the door to us. And then we went back where we were there. Okay, we sit. And then my sister keep on complaining that she's not feeling when she's not okay. She wants her phone. And then during the morning, in the morning till in the evening, he was like, because that boy was also there. And then my sister asked from her phone. And then the boy said, no, my mother took the phone. This was the reason why she asked me to go there. And then we came back, but they were teasing each other. And then my sister, she says she's going to pee. It was late, around about 7:30. This was the last time I saw her. And then after that, the other girl who was with us, she came back and she called me that your sister is lying there, she's dead. And then I asked her, how come? Because my sister was here with all of us. The question I'm asking, who told that girl that's my sister, she's dead? Another question, the boy that my sister was arguing with, he doesn't have a car. So I'm not pointing fingers to anyone. I still got questions.